Howdy! Today a new video for Cars Tech playlist where I will show you how to save up some money by replacing license plate bulbs by yourself. This tutorial is suitable for first generation S60, V70 and maybe other Volvo models. If you drive during night in Latvia and your license plate is not lit up, you can get €30 fine for that. What is the penalty in your country for such an offense? Enter the amount and in which country is it in the comments. For this small DUI you'll need a set of screwdrivers and the bulb itself. In this case the BP194 bulb. Use a T25 Torx wrench to loosen the screw holding the license plate bulb holder. Then with a slotted type screwdriver, carefully remove the bulb holder, but do not break it because it's made out of plastic. And remember that plastic is particularly fragile in cold weather. Then turn the light diffuser case counterclockwise and remove it. Very simple. And then remove the defective bulb. Then put in a new BP194 alternative bulb and check if it works. If everything is okay, turn it off and put everything back together. Put the 3 holes of the light diffuser body on the bulb holder pins and rotate the whole light diffuser body clockwise. It's a little harder than removing it, but nothing crazy. The light diffuser body has a plastic clip that you first need to put inside the boot lid. Press it into its place and screw it in. Screw with feelings to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Last check. GBVBs, everything works. Congratulations, you have escaped the penalty and saved the trip to the car service. I'm giving you a real man medal for doing this. Thanks for holding on. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to meet me in another Car Tech playlist video and get yourself more real man medals. Ciao!